Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Chrome's experimental flags because this forces dark mode on pages that lack it. Open Chrome, / flags and type, force dark mode for web contents. Once found, change the drop-down to enabled or pick a variant such as enabled with selective inversion for better contrast. Make sure to relaunch Chrome when prompted so the flag takes effect. This step forces Chrome's rendering engine to invert or map colors, giving you dark backgrounds and lighter text across most sites. Once done with the flag, refine both interface and content appearance. Turn on your operating system's dark theme so Chrome's UI matches the page styles. This prevents jarring Chrome versus content differences. Then install a trusted dark mode extension to handle sites that still look off. Extensions let you tweak brightness, contrast, and inversion behavior. Make sure to configure a whitelist or blacklist for sites you don't want altered. These combined controls give you consistent dark visuals while preserving readability. To finish, validate across sites and address problems. You should open several pages, checking images, videos, and interactive widgets for color inversion or legibility issues. If a site breaks, first use the extensions per site toggle to exclude it. This preserves global dark mode elsewhere. If issues persist, disable the Chrome flag and relaunch, then clear cache. Make sure to test again after each change. This testing-first approach avoids unnecessary global changes and keeps the experience stable while you fine-tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.